The Dublin Airport Authority has confirmed that it pays the benefit in kind tax liability on behalf of its directors for tens of thousands of euros worth of services they use every year. John Mulligan reports that apart from being paid a total of €205,000 last year, board members also racked up more than €63,000 in benefits related to the use of airport facilities. Those benefits include the use of Dublin Airport's exclusive Platinum VIP private terminal, where each trip costs hundreds of euros per passenger. The revelation comes amid a boardroom bust-up between DAA Chief Executive Kenny Jacobs and the board, which is headed by Chairman Basil Geoghegan. Mr Geoghegan's term as DAA Chair is due to end next June. The board also includes some worker directors, as well as executives from the private sector. Mr Jacobs' remuneration as CEO is not included in the total €205,000 received by non-executive directors. The private terminal enables passengers to skip the regular lines within the airport and enjoy a luxury experience, including a chauffeur-driven car to take them to their plane. A benefit in kind typically covers non-cash perks an employee receives in the course of their work, such as gym membership, a company car, or health insurance, for example. The tax liable on such benefits is meant to be paid by the person in receipt of the benefit. DAA directors, including Basil Geoghegan, have availed of such benefits, but he has by far been the biggest user of the Platinum VIP service. The DAA has now confirmed to the Irish Independent that it pays any benefit in kind liability that arises when its directors use airport facilities free of charge. The DAA had previously confirmed that the use of airport facilities by members of the board is subject to benefit in kind, but had not confirmed that the semi-state airport company was actually footing the bill. For more on this and other stories, you can read the Irish Independent.